been a long hiatus, crazy, busy, just nonsense trying to get everything done. But we're back. We're gonna start at least once a week posting content again. So hopefully we can do 2-3 a week. We're gonna try for at least one, but now I officially have help. So it should make the whole process of actually physically filming what we're doing, why I'm fabricating all this stuff. But my boy, Alan, we're gonna tag his Instagram below, but he's gonna be helping with some of the editing. He's the guy who's doing all the fire ass photos on the Instagram. So we're gonna have him help filming, help be in the vlogs, just help do everything along with all my typical homies and just try and really get back into it. So, and then we're also gonna get some updates on this cool thing, I know everyone's dying to see, and some other stuff. So we'll keep you posted, stay tuned. We finally got some action here. We got this little gem back, and now we've been waiting about 38 days for this thing to come back. Let's get a little explanation from my boy Javi.
Let's get it.
Why did you take so long to get here? We want the whole rundown.
You know what? You usually get some Honda problems, you know. They always break down. What can you say?
It's not even running and it broke down. My guy broke down with a non-running Honda.
Oh.
But here, Alan's already shooting. What do you got going on? Here, let's see a clip.
A quick shot.
Woo! Fire.
Pop the hood?
Yeah, pop the hood. Get this thing going. Damn. All right. Woo! We got some titanium dime action going on. We got some fat. Look at this. Shout out to my boy, Titanium Works. We got titanium hold downs threaded in. Let's go. And now this car was here, let's say 2 months ago. We did a custom bracket for the Sheepy race. Catch cam, we did some custom mounting tabs on the Sheepy race cooler. Drilled and tapped everything, and then made some custom hood exits, did a little rad mount, custom intercooler piping, some fuel stuff. But what's your goals with this car? What's the plan here?
This car is going to be a street car. It's going to be at least...
Hold on, wait.
It's just a B18 Street GSR.
Wait, street car?
Street car.
Street car?
Coming in rowdy.
There we go.
It's going to at least be pushing 500. That's the goal.
Goal 500, and then what, all-wheel drive?
Is that gonna all-wheel drive? It's coming.
It's coming sooner than later.
Thanks to my guy Trust Fab.
Trust Fab. If you know anything about all-wheel drive Hondas, you know our boy Trust Fab. He may even make an appearance today.
Oh.
He told me to text him.
Okay.
So we'll see if Trust Fab comes down. Alan, what do you think? What do you think of this street car?
I like it, sick.
It's pretty messed up street car, if I do say so myself.
Maybe more messed up when it runs.
I know, soon. Look at it, we're almost together. This thing's gonna be gnarly. But yeah, let's get this thing on the lift. Damn, this looks so good from right here. What color are we painting it?
It's gonna stay green.
Stay green. I like the green.
It's just gonna go a different shade, probably like a track car green or something like
Here,
that.
if you don't worry about, I'm not scratching the paint. This green blue action looks cool. I mean, any color is gonna look cool on this. Big meaty tire. You keeping these wheels?
Yes, sir.
I like them.
Big brakes, big wellwood, 2-piece.
Yeah, look at this. Damn.
It's coming along. It's getting there.
Damn. Yeah, this is gonna be a cool one. All right, let's get this thing on the lift and see what's happening. Our first step, we're gonna take a look at this thing. We got, what's the name of this?
This is Track Tough product. It's a swirl pot, DIY swirl pot.
DIY swirl pot. If you take a look at everything looks pretty mint. So we're gonna do some like prep work to make the aluminum finish a little better. But as far as what they got going here, shit's pretty mint. So we're gonna do some sort of swirl pot. We don't like it over here. It's just too close to the exhaust. Visually, it looks cluttered. So what we're thinking about doing is doing a little cross up all the way over to here. We may set it like a 45. We may do something crazy. I don't know what we're doing yet. But we're gonna find somewhere where it visually looks cool and it's a lot easier to access. So you're not pouring coolant all over everything, and just see what looks good.
All right.
Trial and error over here.
All right. So what are we opening up right now?
This is some of that kit. I mean, this is like a bottom cap we got going on. Like, that's pretty legit. You can't ask for much more than that. You set that there. This is the first time I've ever heard about this company, but obviously they know what they're doing. Shit's legit. 0 complaints. 10 out of 10 recommend so far. Looks good. Honda guys are the best. I don't care what anyone says. They make the coolest shit. It's a trick for anyone welding aluminum. Gotta hit it with a little preheat.
Yo, look at the iPhone photographer over here.
I know. Sometimes you gotta snap the flicks, you know what I'm saying?
Here we go. Quick little test to it. So what do we have here?
This is another thing for all the new fabricators. It doesn't matter if you're welding catch cans, stuff like this, anything you could get valve cover bungs. If you got a part like this that interlocks and has a really nice visual, you don't want to sit here and struggle welding this. Number one, it's a visual weld, and as much as you like welds, if you don't have to have one there, it's just cleaner. So you can flip the part around and lay a nice weld on the inside, so then that the outside stays nice and it almost looks like a one-piece machined part at that point. So little stuff like that, anytime you can do it with bungs, with this, with that, it really looks trick. So we'll see. We'll get it welded up and see how she looks. Now we just gotta weld it. Ooh, that's hot. I got a hole in my glove. Keeps fucking me. 2 holes. It's not good.
We need some new gloves.
Not ideal. Hey waiter.
What's up?
I need 2 new gloves. No, give me Finished product. We got our swirly bird. Got a little 3/16 inch bracket, so it's nice and sturdy. And then you got to remember it gets 2 lines to it. So, and then here's the real sauce. Titanium hardware. Oh God.
And he dropped it.
A discount. All right, we changed bolts because I forgot we put all of these style bolts. So we're keeping it consistent here. Okay, you can let it go. Grab those fittings.
Stack.
Okay. Yep.
Pretty good there.
Yep, I agree. You got the other fitting? Throw that bitch on there just for visuals. Okay, neat. Keep going. There we go. Oh yeah.
There it is.
There we go.
There it is.
You ain't never been that deep. That's gotta be at least 3 inches. Okay. That was the easiest one that I've ever taken out. By far. By far. Boy's all worried about his intake, so we got one of these. I don't know if it's the right side. Turbo guard. This is another thing. I don't recommend most people on the street, but if you're a jerk like me, you're gonna run a turbo guard, and then if it blows, it blows.
Oh, we got one problem. It don't fit. I needed a fucking Trojan, not a Magnum.
Oh, we gave him a Magnum.
It's fucking too big.
We hit him with the Magnum. He wasn't ready. All right, that's it. He's out of luck. All right, all wrapped up. We got a couple little minor tweaks and things done. We got valve cover modified. Cleaned up some of the piping. Built our sick catch can or swirl pot nonsense. Got that all mocked up in position. Went over a few things. Hopefully getting ready to hit the dyno soon. But this one's gonna be a cool one. When are you thinking about going all-wheel drive? When's the give the people some timeline
All-wheel drive.
of what's happening?
See, by next year, let me have fun right now with the front-wheel drive for this season. Next year, this one going full kill mode. And that's it. We're gonna have fun with the all-wheel drive. Keep up with the nice exotic cars.
Hell yeah, it'll do it. But we'll call that one a wrap. I got a lot of updates on both the M4, the Porsche that no one's seen yet, and we got a bunch of stuff going on with some secret projects that are gonna get released soon. So hopefully we'll try and get 2 more videos out in the next few days here. So stay tuned and peace out.